Welcome to Mobile Munch, where we explore budget-friendly tech wonders. Today, we dive into the Xiaomi Redmi 13, a phone that proves you don't need to break the bank for brilliance. Let's uncover what makes the Redmi 13 a hidden gem. 1. Design and build. The Redmi 13's boxy design feels modern, reminiscent of premium flagships. The glass front and back add a touch of elegance. Choose from midnight black, ocean blue, or blush pink. But beware, the glossy finish is a fingerprint magnet. 2. Display and performance. The 6.79-inch IPS LCD screen offers vibrant colors and smooth visuals with a 90 Hz refresh rate. It's perfect for binge watching or gaming. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra, the Redmi 13 handles everyday tasks and light gaming with ease. 6GB or 8GB RAM ensures smooth multitasking. 3. Camera capabilities. The 108-megapixel main camera captures detailed shots, while the 2-megapixel depth sensor adds artistic bokeh effects. Whether it's landscapes or close-ups, the Redmi 13 surprises with its photo quality. 4. Battery and charging. The 5,130 mAh battery keeps you going all day, and with 33-watt wired charging, you'll be back to 100% in no time. Plug it in, grab a coffee, and you're good to go. 5. Final thoughts. So, should you consider the Xiaomi Redmi 13? Absolutely. It's a budget champ that delivers more than expected. Thanks for tuning into Mobile Munch. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Until next time, stay savvy and keep munching on tech.